IRS Form 1023-EZ is the streamlined application for recognition of exemption under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code. Small organizations with projected annual gross receipts of $50,000 or less and total assets of $250,000 or less may use this simplified version instead of the longer Form 1023. Approval grants the organization federal income tax exemption and allows donors to deduct their contributions. Part 1 of Form 1023-EZ identifies the organization. You provide the legal name of the organization, the employer identification number, the mailing address, the month the annual accounting period ends, and the date of formation. You also provide the state of legal formation, the organizing document type, such as articles of incorporation or trust agreement, the applicable organizing document language, and the primary contact person. The organization must have an EIN before filing. Part 2 is a series of eligibility checkboxes. You must answer no to all the listed disqualifying conditions to use the EZ form. Disqualifying conditions include being a church or school, having projected gross receipts exceeding $50,000, having total assets exceeding $250,000, being a successor to a for-profit entity, and several others. Part 3 asks you to attest that the organization is organized and operated exclusively for one or more exempt purposes and will not engage in prohibited activities such as private benefit, lobbying beyond minor limits, or political campaign activity. Submit Form 1023-EZ electronically through pay.gov. The IRS charges a user fee of $275 as of 2024. Most EZ applications are processed within a few weeks. Once approved, the IRS sends a determination letter recognizing the organization as exempt under 501(c)(3). The organization is then eligible to be listed in IRS tax-exempt organization search. Maintain records of the approved application and supporting documents. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax or legal advice.